Now, if you've always thought you need a great big garden in which to grow fruit and veg, I'm here to prove to you that it's wrong. Because here on my little balcony area, I'm growing 12 different kinds of vegetables, 4 different kinds of fruits, I've got 3 different kinds of pot herbs and a whole load of different flowers everywhere. In 12 foot by 6 foot. And it's easy peasy. Container gardening isn't about having loads of room. It's about making the most of what you've got. Now, I've grown everything from spuds to strawberries in pots, trays, old boxes and even broken toilets. And I can tell you, if I can do it up here in the freezing north, you can do it anywhere. So I'm Paul, your friendly neighbourhood down-to-earth gardener. I'm over 70 and I've spent many a year up in Scotland working out how with a windowsill, a window box, a balcony or a tiny little yard or garden, you can actually grow your own wonderful fruit and veg. So if you would like to know how you can grow food in your tiny little garden or your yard or your balcony or your window box, then subscribe. Check out some of the videos. Hopefully you'll be eating fresh raspberries in just a few months' time. These are seriously good. Can't wait for the apples.